Come on.
Ah, hello, friend.
Hello, Professor
Andrew Bell the Third.
That's
Andrew
it. So,
Bell.
the chief says you can test out your machine pending the usual formalities.
And what are they?
Finding a suitable subject.
Ah, funny you should mention. This fella here, he seems sturdy enough, and he's guilty as sin.
Wilson J. McDaniels, wanted for murder, bigamy, and immoral animal husbandry. What's that?
Immoral animal husbandry? Excuse me?
Find him for me and help me put him out of his misery.
This boy fucking animals out here. Now listen. Well, I don't know what the fuck, dude. I'm just trying to think of something. I'm trying to like, I was gonna low key defend him, like, hey, listen now, if he's like fucking a cow or something, whatever. But this dude's out here like fucking chickens. That's pretty fucked up, dude. He is all. Are you fucking me? Can I use this stagecoach? Return to a location that you previously visited for a fee. I got that Thanksgiving belly, bruh. Oh, dude, me too, brother. I fucked up last night, dude. I stayed up late and ate a late plate. Fucking Ruffles. Hope you had a good Thanksgiving, brother. Dude, this says it's locked though. Like, I don't want to go to a locked stagecoach and waste my time. That's kind of stupid. Like, why is this locked? I don't know. Oh, let's go check. Is it because I don't have enough money? I have $75. I should have plenty of money. Howdy, partner.
Hey, partner.
I'm gonna get my, holy shit, it just got really foggy. Dang, man, people... Get the fuck out of the way, you dog. Bro, I just ran over a guy. I just ran over another guy. I can't even see anything.
Are you an idiot?
I had to hit my e-brake. I'm gonna greet everybody just because I don't want my bounties to be expensive anymore.
Buddy? You almost could have killed me.
I know, dude, but you ran across the street. Like, what do you want from me, dude?
You insane? What the hell?
Oh, bro, I just like shit my pants. Oh, see, it's not locked. See, I'm glad I didn't waste my goddamn time. Oh shit, where do we want to go? We want to go to Emerald Ranch, Emerald Station. Emerald Ranch. $5? I'll take the fast travel, dude. I'll fast travel as much as possible. What the fuck's happening? Oh, it's like showing the night sky. Bet. Oh my goodness.
Sorry if I cut short a fun dream. We've arrived.
Thanks for that.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Can I greet him? Let me greet him.
Howdy.
Howdy there, partner. Let's get out of here. Oh, they're playing dominoes? I don't know how to play dominoes. I actually kind of want... It looks fun to play, though. I'm trying to see it in, like, movies or, like, shows. Everyone looks like they're having a great time. This is going to sound crazy. I just recently learned how to play Yahtzee. Yeah, I know. I'm 23 years old and just learned how to play Yahtzee. But it was very simple, like, once I learned a very... Why is there a red up here? I'm not wanted. Oh. Oh, there's enemies. Let's get the repeater out. What's my pump action? Oh, the slugs. I think slugs kind of defeat the. Oh.
Yeah.
Locate McDaniels. Shit. I should probably go take high ground. Can I even climb up here? We're gonna be very sneaky. Sneaky, sneaky, sneaky. Oh. Let's just run up here. Watch him like hop on a fucking horse and try to get away, dude. So I know I'm gonna have to capture this dude alive. Oh, god damn it, he's gonna really run. This guy.
Come on. I got a special treat.
What the fuck was this?
Born free. I was born.
Oh my god, what the? Yeah, how's that feel, brother? Yeah. Huh? You gonna try that shit again? Where did he come from? He scared the living shit out of me. Why is my horse scared? Don't be a bitch, bro. Let's loot him.
You don't mind, do you?
Ooh, a cigar. It's gonna help my dead eye.
You're coming with me.
You're coming with me, partner. Why are they always gonna run? Now I gotta bring them back all the way. Oh my god, I literally have to go all the way back to the city. Where the fuck is my horse? Bro, I know my horse can hear me. Thank you, boy. There you are. Here you are, Treyway.
Up you get.
Well, let me feed my horse real quick. Feed him as well. I'm assuming people are gonna be chasing me.
Go on, pal.
Take me to.
Oh my god. Really, bro?
Damn court bin. This ain't America. We ain't free no more. Can't raise no animals, take no wives. All I did was graze my livestock. Married them that needed marrying, and killed any that tried to stop it. I ain't wrong.
What the fuck, man? How do you do the horse auto run?
We was trying to live free. You came along and laid waste. Take me in, just take me to the jailhouse.
I don't know how.
You ain't going to court. You ain't going to jail either.
Can I just cut across this field? Yeah, I can.
I'm taking you to a professor I know.
What in hell are you talking about?
What in the
Look
hell are
at
you
that,
even
mister.
talking about?
You get to be part of a great experiment.
Shut up!
Huh? You ain't gonna die needlessly is what I mean. Nope. Your debt's gonna be an important step in the advancement of human knowledge.
What in hell you saying, mister?
This professor, Andrew Bell III, I believe he said, he's a little odd, maybe harebrained, but I got no reason to doubt the quality of his work.
What's this damn professor got to do with anything?
Well, he wants to try this new electricity chair on you, to kill you. Humane.
New electricity chair.
No!
Yeah. Well, he's gonna strap you into this contraption and run a large electric current
Okay, I don't think
through your
anyone's
system.
coming for me.
Got something to do with moonshine. Don't quite know what. I guess that's why he's the professor and I'm the bounty catcher. Well, as I said, I can pass on his assurances that this is a most humane way to go. It'll be just like, well, like switching off a light.
They wouldn't let you do this to me. They wouldn't.
Oh, they would. And we got a permit and everything. You was in animal husbandry, am I right? Well, you ever seen lightning strike livestock, Mr. McDaniels? Now, I ain't ever seen the actual impact, but I came across the pasture sometime after. The storm had just cleared and there was smoke in the air, smell of burning hair.
Damn.
No.
There must have been a dozen head of cattle, lying there, piled up and angled, with strange scars across their backs.
He's drowning, bro. I'm literally drowning this
It's
man.
half like they was burned, half like the...
God damn it. I can't aim, bro. Literally won't let me aim.
He gone? I'm sorry about that, McDaniels. You alright?
This is where I help Black Bell.
Uh-huh. Yeah, me too. Well, you'll be happy to know we ain't got far to go. Hold on tight now.
It's so fucking foggy. Dude, I was like literally drowning him on the way here. In that riverbed. Those guys almost killed me. And I cannot see fucking anything. Jeez, did they lay the fog on a little thicker? Oh, wait, do I come to his little house right here? Or do I go to the police station? Sheesh, midnight meat sweats. Yeah, bro, for real. Panda, connect your hands with your fingers and say, we say grace. Oh, is that what you did? Oh, you finna say grace? Oh, God! Cause you don't die. You cannot die. Oh, this man can't die.
Alright, let's go.
Lord, thank you so much for blessing me with Red Dead Redemption 2. Also, thank you, Lord, for me meeting Chad and him always being in the stream. And I cannot jump over this fence. Why?
Head still... The hell?
What the hell? Amen.
Well, here we are. The professor will be real pleased to meet you.
No!
That's fucked up. We told him how he's gonna die. And now we're just bringing him to his death. Take him to... Oh my god, he literally wants him hand delivered.
Now, let's go.
Are we doing it like right here?
I got him.
You're wonderful, just wonderful.
Want me to drop him? Okay, I guess so.
Now, where's my money?
Money?
Yeah, for all the running around I've been doing.
Oh, well, Once they buy my humane electric ending facilitator, there'll be money enough for you, sir.
Well, let's hope.
All right, let's get our poor unfortunate ready for the demonstration. Oh, do come and watch. It'll be amazing.
Oh, you know I will be.
Come along.
Let's watch somebody get electrocuted. Where'd you go? Oh my god, do I have to go to the next mission to watch him get executed? Oh, I gotta go to the police station. Hey, let's get it. Where's my horse? Why did my horse get moved over here? Oh, he probably lingered. That's right. Horses tend to linger when they're not leashed down. Howdy, partners. Excuse me, fellas.
There, mister.
Oh my god.
Hey, mister. Hi there, ma'am.
Look at this. Look at this. I'm such a good cowboy. He's greeting everybody. High morale.
Hey there,
Treating others with respect.
buddy. Hey there, mister.
We're here. Oh! Oh! Okay, my horse is the other way. It's above us. Alright, you can stay there, Mr. Horse.
Enjoy the show, if that's possible. It's a free show.
I just don't like how much time you're spending with the man is all.
Just wait until you see his work. It's very progressive.
Well, I'm not so very sure how I feel about progression. Paintings or otherwise.
Come on. You won't have seen the like of it before. I promise.
Maybe that's a good thing. Hold on.
Well, I'm gonna listen to this. Oh. It looks like some high valuable art.
That it's Greek.
I think it looks like a piece of shit. Oh.
Or could be Roman. That's far too
Oh no, there's nudity!
Simply can't paint.
Look away, children! Shield your eyes! Oh my god, there's more women! Look at I see a badonkadonk.
I find the
Ah!
brushwork baffling.
Where's the man I need to talk to?
Trying to represent
Is it him? Oh,
something
here he
from
is.
a-
I thought this was the execution mission, but it's not. It's the painter.
Excuse me, Mr. Chatternet. Couldn't you have painted some drawers on her?
Madame, I paint her in her natural state, as she was and will be in paradise.
There's nothing natural about that.
Clothes are civilization, repression, death. To be naked is to be free, innocent, alive. Like Buddha said, you know, we are all just here to fuck.
Explains the decadence of those Hottentots.
Hey, you got a picture of my wife here. In her delicates.
Henry, is that your behind? Why would you be showing it to that man?
That's my mama. As nude as the day she was born.
Stop looking at my husband's buttocks.
Stop looking at my mama.
Well, maybe she shouldn't have exposed herself like that.
This is disgusting.
The nerve on you!
That's it.
What the fuck is that?
There's no place for us.
Come here.
I'm fucking so dead.
You little man. Oh. Come on, horse, we'll leave
Hey, I'm coming after you, Frenchie.
Hey,
All right.
What the? What the? Oh shit! Uppercut, bitch. Oh, you tell me this guy in his fucking tuxedo knows how to fight? Get kneed, boy. Oh, that right hook, though. Fuck, I'm looting these guys. These guys probably got like a lot of money on them. They literally have nothing on them. They literally have nothing on them, and they're like rich douches. They're probably like fake rich. But dude, there's so much blood on me from a fight. The freak. Oh, you're right, Chad. The freak. These people are all just heathens. I'll be right back, Treyway. I gotta walk the opposite direction.
it was not.
I feel like the music is out of place right now. I feel like the music shouldn't be going.
Excuse me, madam, behind you.
Good morning to you, mister.
Now,
Look at my good morale.
Hey, friend. Morning. Morning, friend. Morning, mister. Morning. You, mister, excuse me. Folks. I'm just in a friendly mood
Every 3
today
people, you
for
get
some
good
reason.
morale.
Hey, brother. How you doing? Hello, madam.
Where's this guy taking me? This music is like really throwing me off.
Morning.
Oh, some Asian people too.
Morning, madam.
This is a very diverse city. Good to see. What the fuck? We literally walked in a circle! What do you mean? Why? Did it do that because my horse was in the way? Oh my god, dude.
You keep provoking emotions.
I can't. I'm sorry, I was face palming. I can't.
Hello there.
Good morning, sir.
Oh my god. Me parking my horse delayed the mission.
You did, and you are.
When the game is just too realistic. Like, I would have told my horse to move, and like, yo, Treyway, move it, bro. Go to jail with 6ix9ine.
Gentlemen,
Even though I heard that 6ix9ine is actually not going to jail, but I don't know.
I know a lady over here. She may let me stay for a while.
Let me sneak. See, this music is still pissing me off.
Someday I can feel it.
perhaps. Right now, seems like the only thing that'd get me is kicking the balls.
You are funny, you know. I hope to see you again sometime. My angel, my little bird, it's me.
So it is.
Let me in. Literally, that's it.
Hi there.
Hello.
Hello.
Hey, mister.
Fine morning to you.
How are you, ma'am?
How
That's my
you
horse.
doing?
How you doing? Shit, how you doing? I guess taking a stagecoach there would actually probably... Oh, I kind of want to go do this mission. Eagle flies. What the fuck's this one? Margaret? Oh, that's right, the animal guy. I want to go do this, but this is up in the mountains and it's just so far away. It's just so far away. Let's go to the stagecoach. I don't think I got paid at all. Yeah, $70 still. Spent all my money on coaches. I love my horse, but sometimes traveling so many miles can be a little tiresome, even in the virtual world. Must have really sucked to be a cowboy to ride a horse for like 3 hours straight just to like get somewhere you could be in a car in 20 minutes. Take a no. Oh, okay. Yeah. Let's see what we got here. This one. I think it's over here in Valentine, right? Yep, it's Valentine. Nope, not map. Let's go back, Valentine. $10! What? That's a lot of money. For me, I'm broke. I still have more money in this game than I do in real life. Feels bad. The truth hurts. So funny meme. Oh, Valentine. Good old Valentine. The days of shooting up the town. Hey, good morning, Brody.
Good day, dear.
Hey, what's your problem?
Don't do it.
Hey, partner. Morning.
Hey, what's with you then?
Hey,
This mission I did want to do because it sounded really cool to me at the time with helping I believe it's the Native Americans. They're trying to take their land for oil. Still happens to this day. LOL, feels bad. Oh look! Oh, my horse got some vertical. Here he is. Now we're getting into the nice, good old fun missions. Here we go. Oh, he's got a bow and arrow. Look at him. He's ready.
You came.
Of course I came. Said I would.
There's a foreman. His name is Danbury. There's the files in the office.
Ooh, you got some fancy binoculars right there.
It's that window with the blind drawn up.
I see it.
If the files are as incriminating as we believe, Mr. Cornwall's men will destroy them if they know you're coming.
There's only one of me, son. I don't intend for them to know I'm coming. What will the files say?
There'll be a report from Leyland Oil Development Company.
And you got the money?
Yes.
Any ideas how I sneak into this place?
You could crawl under the fence or hide in a wagon. They keep rolling in.
I'll go take a look.
If there's a problem, call for me.
I thought the whole point was that this had nothing to do with you.
Ideally. If you are quick, you could climb into the back of that wagon.
Bro, I just ran into the wagon out of instinct. I don't think I have any. I think I have my repeater on me. I'm in the back of a wagon. Fucking. Where's that Skyrim meme where it's like 100 stealth? Or it's sneak. Is it sneak? I think it's sneak. 100 sneak. Sorry, stealth. I actually played a lot of Skyrim. I beat Skyrim. I beat that game like 3 times. Beat it with like a one-handed character, heavy. Beat it with a two-handed character, and I tried. I think I beat it as a mage. And I think one of my characters, like I think it was my two-handed character, is also like a archer specialist. Hit you from range, and then they hit you with the El Shanko. Dude, you can barely see me. I'm not even in the wagon. Oh my god, this place, is this the same place as last time where I wanted to... Oh, there I am.
Hey, Tom. Picking up? Yep. Supposed to meet the early train to Saint Denis.
Oh my god, I thought he was going to the back.
Better get a move on then.
Don't look in the back of the wagon. So I need to get these documents.
Alright, I'm gonna start loading up.
I gotta exit the wagon. No, he did not see me. Oh my god. Jesus. I really didn't want these guys to find me. Kick it.
What do you want?
You must be Danbury.
What?
Will you be quiet?
Beat him. Just beat him.
Need a file by the Leyland Oil Development Company. The one about the oil near Wapiti.
Today, Junior, damn! I just broke his jaw.
A mind is a terrible thing to lose, especially over such a nice floor as this.
It's here! It's here!
Pick up the hat? What hat? You know what? Fuck it. I'll wear this hat. I don't give a shit. It's not my hat. Take file. Take it. Just take it. Where'd he go? You throw it? Oh, you threw it right there. Thank you, sir.
Good, Danbury. Real good. They'll give you a promotion for this. No, Danbury.
Danbury? Danbury, you okay?
Tell the guard you're fine.
Yes.
No, this is scripted.
Now stay quiet. Or head office will send me back to get you.
Bro, I literally shot the place up on the way up here. Unless they see me on the way out automatically.
Hey, hold it right there! Weapons on the ground and hands in the air.
I'm about to draw. Yeah, see, this is scripted. Holy sh... How the fuck are you not dead? Good night. Oh, I don't want to shoot the horse. The back of... Oh, I thought I was gonna get on the back of his horse. Well, dude, really? Get a gun, bro. You're embarrassing me out here with this bow and arrow. I mean, I get it. You're probably like extremely skilled. What do you think I'm doing? I literally hit every shot right there. Alright, well I unfortunately didn't do that stealth. Dude, I fail all the stealth missions in this game. I'm actually a pretty good stealth player, dude. I grew up playing Splinter Cell from on the PS2.
I was happy to watch some of that oil burn. So you met Mr. Danbury?
Yes, don't worry. He was very obliging. I thought you wasn't getting involved.
Please, somebody give me money.
Thank you. You saved my life.
Thank you. I hope. Well, I don't know what I hope. But who knows? Maybe these will be of some use. Here's your money.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ooh, 125. Wait, what? Gang share? Yo, my phone. Come on, phone. Don't be a bitch. My phone. Sorry, guys. My phone's like not charging. It's being really annoying. Now it is. Okay, it's charging now. Fuck, man. That's what happens when you're up early. Your phone, like usually, like if you, you know what I mean, like if you get up late at night. I mean, late in the afternoon, like your phone kind of lasts all day. Oh, we could go do the fucking Fernando Cock, Flaco Hernandez. This is the closest I've been over here in a long time. I think I might just go do it. But anyways, because I want to get that book done and get more money. How do you change clothes on your horse, by the way? I don't think I ever equipped riding gloves. You think? I don't think the game will kill me though, right? I could be fucking wrong. I'll eat a can of baked beans real quick. We're going up to the mountains, but I am wearing a coat and I have pants on. So, my guy just needs to not be a fucking pussy and not freeze to death. You know what I'm saying? This game is so beautiful though. Like, you just like look like I watch a lot of old school game reviews, like on the old Sega consoles. You know, classic games. You know, Sonic. You know, either other consoles. You know, Sega Genesis. All that stuff. All those old school ones. Like play the game like Golden Axe. And those games were so fun to me as a kid. Like I enjoyed those. But when you get older and like you play games like this, like they're fucking awesome. Wait a minute, can I just cut across? Oh, I'd have to like... Oh, Lord have mercy. I learned that there was a way to, go into auto ride mode. See, it's not working. I heard you had to like hold X. Or you have to double tap X. Oh, there we go. It's doing it. It's literally doing it. But it's not going as fast as possible.
Well, my pocket's feeling like about time we went on a tear.
I kind of wish, like, after if you did the cinematic view long enough, it would just kind of fast travel you there, or near there. Like, look, like, I can go like twice as fast manually doing it unless I can hold X like this. They keep running. Don't stop. Don't stop. There we go. Wonder if my horse will get tired. I guess the stamina didn't feel like I was going down that much. Oh, I just ran over. What the fuck did I just run over? Flaco Hernandez. Oh, dude, so once I kill him, this is the last guy for the outlaws, or like the duelists. I will have to... How do I say this? Go to the book guy. I don't know where he's going to be located. If he's going to be located in a new city. Or... maybe he'll be back at that bar. Maybe he's just still chilling at that bar with that guy. And I want to get... You are now cold. While cold, your health core will drain faster. Change clothes to warm up. Fuck. I knew it. I know what it's like being cold.
Help me! My horse died and I'm stuck here. You gotta help me, mister. How about we skip the small talk, eh?
Hell, what the fuck? What the fuck?
Nice try.
It was weird because he wasn't... I couldn't talk to him, and I was trying to talk to him, like tell him to fuck off, and he just threw me off my horse. Bro, you literally could have walked down the mountain and been out of the snow. You literally wait for people on a cold-ass trail. Fuck you, Flacco. I don't have... And by the way, I know people are probably like, oh, equip winter clothes. I don't think I have any winter clothes equipped to my horse yet. Because I avoid the mountains. But yeah. Oh my god, I have to like go up and over. This isn't even a road. This is literally the side of a mountain.
Come on.
Come on. I'm used to Skyrim. Hey, Press. I'm late. What's up? You ain't late. I actually started streaming late, so don't even worry about it. I didn't start streaming until 2. 2-ish. But how you doing, Press? I just got back from playing. We did this like turkey Thanksgiving football game, and it was in the snow. And my dumbass brought like regular shoes with like one pair of like Hanes socks that are like as thin as paper. And 10 minutes in, my feet were soaked, and I could not feel my. I thought I had frostbite on my toes. We played for like an hour and a half. But we have fun. I threw a touchdown. Also threw an interception because you know. I'm awesome like that. I'm like the Nathan Peterman of casual Joes who play football with their friends. So we had a good time. Oh shit! And it's only Friday, man. I keep forgetting it's Friday. Long weekends, man. I thought yesterday was like Saturday. It was weird. Threw my whole schedule off, but I'm not complaining. Dude, I swear to God, Flacco better be like a tough opponent, because if I come out here and he's just like these other guys who are... Oh shit. I see some animals. If he's just some chump, because everyone I've run into, except for Black Bell, has been a chump when it comes to dueling. Oh my God, Treyway, will you relax? How do I calm my horse down? Oops, that's not gonna do it. Oh, there you go. It's R1. Look at fox. I love hour-long horse rides. Awesome, I played Madden with my friends and cousins just today. Hey, that's cool, man. It's fun playing video games with family. It's always fun. Unless you have like those families who just like can't stand losing and they like rage quit. Which would... Oh. We're here. Which would be me and my brother, always raging. We should have played Madden. That should have been, I think, we should have had a Madden tournament instead of going outside. If I fall through this ice, I'm gonna fall through the ice. I'm slipping. Flacco! Flacco Hernandez! Oh shit, there's a group of people here. Are they just gonna kill me on sight?
Hey, who's that? You're in the wrong camp, stranger.
I don't mean no harm, okay? Just want to speak to Hernandez.
We don't like visitors up here. Kill this fool.
You fucking... You guys are assholes. I knew it. Oh, Flacco!
Flacco Hernandez, you in there? I didn't want trouble, but...
The Lions haven't won a Thanksgiving football game in a while. It was close, man. It was close.
Throw your weapons away. Now come
No one
out.
quit. Hey, that's good, man. Holster your weapons. What the fuck kind of tomfoolery is this? Okay. Yeah, poor Lions. Lions have the talent to be a pretty good football team. They just I think Matthew Stafford's a pretty good QB. It's just you know, they just fall apart.
My boy Callaway?
Sure.
And they traded Golden Tate away, which is one of their best receivers. What the fuck? I just overkilled him. Well. Gotta make sure he's dead, man. You don't want the zombie apocalypse to start right now. Okay, I have to take a picture of him. Oopsie. Where's my, here's the camera. Hold on, can I take a selfie, though? No. Self-portrait, there it is. Look at me. Oh, I can pose. What other poses we got? Oh shit, smoking a cigar or is that a cigarette? Oh, look at that. What the fuck? Why would I put my back to the camera? Oh, look at this. Dropping the... Oh, hold on, let's go back one more. Expression. Look at it, we're gonna be dropping the dopest fucking mixtape of 2018, dude. Joyner Lucas and Tory Lanez can get it. Take photo. Flacco Hernandez's head is not visible to the camera. Make sure... You fucking dumb... Oh, God, dude, really? Fucking dude, he's like fucking face down in the stair. Like, look at his hat. Oh, hold on, let me. Oh my God, he literally just turned his head away from me. All right, get the camera out. Let's just take a normal one now. Jesus. Oh wait, I got a gold. What's the details? Draw out of his. Oh, there is literally just to do the objective. Inspect. Oh, what's his gun? Bro, if I played Madden today, I'd probably suck so bad. I used to play Madden a lot. I used to play Madden Ultimate Team back in Madden 15, and I spent like hundreds of dollars on that game. A treasure map. A map discovered inside a small chest in an old shack near. Use the map to search for treasure. Wow. Fucking pro tips right there from Red Dead. Okay, what kind of gun you got though? Just a sawed-off shotgun though? I don't want that, dude. This man really tried to draw on me with a Saudi. Like, no. You should play Madden. If I had the current Madden, I probably would. I don't know if I'd play Ultimate Team though. I'm just gonna be honest, cause Ultimate Team, this guy fall in a money chest. Ultimate Team, costs a lot of money, and if you're not gonna spend money, you pretty much have to, just literally grind that game mode out and do all the challenges. But if I did have Madden though, I'd probably play the Play Now. Like versus people online like I do with NBA 2K. I was gonna stream 2K. Holy shit, my health core is going down so fast. That's probably because of the gunfight though. Let's see here, let's eat some